How to export and save a video in Powerdirector. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can export and save a video in Powerdirector. So if you're also wondering and you want to save and export your video, you can follow the simple method and do it. For that, you can directly open up your Powerdirector and go ahead and tap on this new project option in your device and then select up a video from your device. Once you've selected up a video and then you have edited it out using this application, in the bottom you are finding different editing options. You can use that options in order to edit it out, and once you've edited it out and everything is done according to your editing, then the next step in order to export is or save it is just at the top right corner. You can easily find an export option. You just need to go ahead and tap on it, and once that is done, you'll be finding these options on your screen. So I can also choose up a resolution for you if you want, like 1080p, and we also have a 4K Pro option, which is a Pro option, so you need to buy the Pro version of the application for that. But otherwise, we also have the free options, which is 1080p, 720p, 360p, and different options available. You can use up those features in order to produce it. After that is done, you can use up this option called Produce, and once tapped on it, it will be directly saved onto your device. So that is how you do it. That is how you save and export a video in Powerdirector. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.